Mistake that most snail beginners are making during the construction. Click on subscribe button to watch more of our video. Mistake that every snail farmer must avoid during the construction is that during the construction of the snail hutch or houses, either block hutches or wood hutches, most of the beginners have been seen are usually make their snail hutch. They always cover their snail hutch with full door instead of half net half door. When you make your snail hutch or snail house half net, that half net is where you will introduce banana leaf to create more shade inside your snail hutches, to create more darkness inside your snail hutches, and to create more hiding place for your snail to hide. Click on subscribe button to watch more of our video. Welcome to Albarka Snail and your chat in the culture, the snail professor. Thank you once again.